Hello. Good to see you.
Alright there, Revenants, welcome back to Code Vein and the Road to 100, and today I'm pretty excited about this. I've been waiting for some of these two-handed swords, and this is no exception here. And everybody knows about the Zweihander and what it is and everything. However, today we're going to be using it as a intensified version, not the fortified version, because it's too heavy for us to have normal mobility here. And having normal mobility with this thing is really nice, that we can dodge around however we need to, but at the same time we still have good defenses and good damage and all around good. Louis looking good there with some kind of alpha pose there. Very nice, making his sword shimmer in the light. Very cool. Good job, Louis. Thank you. And today we're going to be running Fion with this thing, and we're going to be running a Claw Veil, just because. Now, if you wanted to run a Superior Veil, you would obviously run the Twilight Claw, but for what we're doing now, we're going to be running the Dawn Claw. And you can see here that the GXM is a little bit heavier, 33 pounds heavier, but it is a little bit better in the light department, way better on the defenses department, and a little bit less in the damage department. But the Dawn Claw is not a, or the Twilight, or the Night Claw, whatever claw, the Festive Claw, Midnight Sun Claw, whatever one you want to pick up here. I'm going for the Lightning one because of backstab potential, because we're paired up with Regenerative Drain and Lifesteal, and I want to be able to kill people in one backstab while at the same time doing charge attacks and charge attacks and charge attacks on our damaging weapon here. Now, the interesting thing about the I always want to call it the Dabilaro from Ninja Gaiden, but the interesting thing about the Zweihander here is that remember the Nagimukuro that we did the other day, and this attack here, the poking attack, that was a 125% modifier on the Nagimukuro sword. However, on this weapon, it's 155% damage increase. It is a massive increase in your damage just from doing that one attack right here. And any chance you get to do this attack, I would say definitely go for it, because it has knockdown built into it as well for certain enemies and for most enemies. But it's a massive increase in your damage. For no real added effort or really any danger to yourself, because it does have knockdown built in, so you do have recovery from it, which is really great. And then for the charge attack here, this attack right there is a 245% increase in your damage, and all the other weapon attacks are comparable to what the Nagimukuro was yesterday. So for this thing, you definitely want to be going for charge attacks and poke attacks. Otherwise, the thrusting attacks. Otherwise, you're not maximizing the damage that this thing can do. So, if we kind of move on here, you'll notice that we have an increased HP count, and that is simply because of the fact that we want to be able to get as much health back as we can from these fellas. Any chance we go for a kill or a backstab, we should be able to get back a lot of health very quickly and easily. There we go, we got 5, and then there's 10%. Good. So very good overall. Let's go for bridge. Good. And this guy comes up, and we'll block him, and we'll go for a poke. Oops, I guess Louis got that kill there. Okay, not a problem. We'll go for this guy, and then a poke. There we go. And if we can get some more Ichor here. Okay. There we go. And that's one other nice thing, is that you can combo with the Dawn Claw in this, and do very good damage overall. So let's go for a block here, because we can. And let's go for a charge attack now. There we go. And you can see that we're not in really any kind of danger too much overall. We're just able to casually and easily run through here. Don't kill him, Louis. My kill. Okay, good. And we'll go for a cleansing light, just in case we do get hit. So, okay. And we'll combo. Not too bad there. but pretty bad on because Louis was there to pick up the pieces for us. Good, and we'll go for lightning. Okay, and we'll go for a poke, and knockdown, and a charge. Oh, Louis, you're killing things ahead of me. Okay, oops, we missed him, and we'll go for a backstab. But that's really where you want to be pairing this weapon effectively and overwhelmingly powerful is when you go for up against enemies, you combo into a drain attack or a poke attack or a charge attack, and you can absolutely ruin so many of these guys easily and quickly. Let's go for a guard booster and a charge booster. Okay. I'll go for bridge again. Now bridge in this case is giving us about a 17% increase in damage, so it's a little bit better than adrenaline, but not as good as overdrive, but that's okay. Whoops. And so it's kind of a good middle of the road increase here for us, and it definitely works out. Okay, so now we got big chunky lady here, so let's go for her. Ouch. Okay. Unfortunately, we took a massive hit there without cleansing light active, but that's okay. And we'll go for an attack here. Yeah, we got a parry there. Very good. Ooh, we pulled her insides out through her face. And we'll go for another charge. And so you can see that that's where our bread and butter is going to be. And you can see that we got a bunch of health back from that as well, because we did drain attacks and drain attacks, backstabs, and a kill. And so we're able to get a lot of health back just from killing a lot of enemies through here. And because we can kill enemies fast and easily with our combo attacks and such, we're able to get a lot of health back, have a lot of survivability, and so on and so forth. Now, if you wanted to go for the Twilight Claw, obviously that's the far superior choice, because it doesn't add anything to the build here. I mean, you're still normal mobility and you just get all the benefits, but you get a little bit less damage on Bridge to Glory, but that's okay, as you can kind of make up for that otherwise. So here we're getting 10% back on a backstab because of the fact that we're able to kill on the backstab at the same time. So very, very good there. Okay, so let's go for, whoops. Okay, some reason here the dogs are not playing nice. Oops. No, I wanted that. Okay. Anyways, okay, as we go on here, we can go for a couple of charge attacks. Okay, and we'll go for this guy. Whoops. There we go. And this guy. So, and you can see here that if we go for these guys as we do here, we can absolutely ruin them either with drain attacks, or with backstabs, or with charge attacks, or with just regular attacks, bashing around with these fellas. So we have quite a bit of utility built in here to our setup and everything. I think Louis got that kill, so no problem there. Let's just go for everybody here, because why not? Okay, and we'll just blow this guy away, and we'll go for a charge attack on him. Okay, good. And let's go pick up the item over here, just so we can. Okay, and we'll combo, and Louis will kill him. So we almost had enough damage there to take him down, but not quite enough. So let's go ahead and do the invasion this time around, just because. Okay, and we'll go for a guard booster here. Good, and we'll poke. Okay, so we will be able to shred through these guys pretty easily. We shouldn't have too much issue here, but you never know, as these guys get a little crazy. We'll poke him down. Oops. And we'll poke him. Oh, Louis, come on. So we're doing well getting that stack of overdrive there from Louis, so that's really nice. Whoops. Okay. Oops, and we got hit there, so we lost Louis' overdrive. But that's okay. We'll kill that guy, get some health back here. There we go. Okay, let's go for bridge. Get us a little bit of extra damage there. And now that we have much better defenses overall, we're going to be okay here. There we go. And we got Ninja Boy. So we'll go ahead and take care of him. So you can see that even in the invasion here, we definitely have whatever we need in any event to take care of any of these fellas that we run across here. We'll pick up the Bardiche and we'll head on our way. Hello. And we'll go ahead and drain this guy down. Okay. And it's just fun to switch up the sets here and go for charge drains and such at any point in time, just to see how the different setups and everything go about building. So we'll go for a charge here. Oh, I missed the other dog. Oops, missed the dog again. Thanks, Louis. But we have enough utility and damage and whatever we need at any point in time to go for any enemy and to be able to ruin them no matter what we're doing. Okay, we'll go ahead and block the monkey here. There we go. Oops. Okay, and we'll poke him off the edge. Oh, okay. Thanks, Louis. And that's something Louis is good for, is he has a lot of quick attacks and such. So it's really good to have him along. And plus that increase to his stack of overdrive there to give us that extra increase in our damage. As you can see now, we are not at 1686 anymore, but at 2107. So that's really good. And what is that? 2107. Oops, 2107 over 1686. Yeah, it's a 25% increase. So we do. It's an exact copy replica of overdrive. So that's why it's definitely important to have that active at all times. Okay. And we'll just blow those guys away. Alright. And let's go ahead and just get some I-Core back as we get across the bridge here. We're going to need it, and we'll go for a charge. There we go. And I think Louis killed that guy. Okay, and we'll pick up the T for Mia later. Okay. And this fella, good. And we'll backstab him down. So, this is kind of a hybrid setup here between your veil and the sword itself. The sword itself is very good. It does really well when you need it to block. It does really well on damage multipliers. It does really well on everything except for weight. It is very heavy at 87 pounds, and when it's fortified it's over 100 pounds. And alleviated is still almost 70 pounds, so it's one of the heaviest weapons in the game, and that is where it kind of had to be offset in a sense, because otherwise it would be kind of unfair in how it stacked up against everything else. Okay, so let's go for a couple things here so we can have some utility as we get across the bridge, because we will be in a really bad way here. After we get our backstab here on this lady, everybody will be all up in our business here. So we'll go ahead and block that. Oops. And we can block her. Okay. No backstab. Oh, there's a backstab. Very good. We were almost going to get ruined there, so that's good that we didn't. And we'll go for an attack here. We'll block this. And we'll go for a poke. Ouch. Oh, these guys aren't dead yet? Okay. And we'll go for a launch. Oops. Okay, Louis. And I guess I'll go for a launch. Even though he's dead. Okay. But, okay, we made it across the bridge there pretty well. I didn't get any backstabs that I wanted to on those little guys. But that's okay. Okay, let's go for this so we can have some defenses here against Big Bertha. Okay, so we do need to get a kill here on her so we can get that that healthy 5% that healthy 5% damage or health back. And if we kill, okay, good, we get 10% back, so that's great. Definitely want to make sure that we have access to that at all times to get that to get those health recoveries, so we don't have to use heals. No, for no particular reason. It's just, where did Louis knock that guy off the edge? That's interesting. I didn't think he would do that, but that's okay. I'm glad he did. Okay, so we're getting our 10% health back here, slowly but surely here as we come on into this lady. Okay. Is she gonna spin? She is gonna spin. Good. And we'll let her do whatever there and just put her down easily. So you can see that the blocking effectivity of this weapon is very, very, very good, as it has good retaliation and at the same time really, really good damage overall. Ouch. Louis just is killing these guys very quickly. Okay, so now as we head into the butterfly fight, we will be switching over all our elements here to fire, as lightning is good for everybody through here, but then when we get to the butterfly fight, you want to go for as much fire slash as you can. So we're going to do that, and we'll go ahead and heal here, because there's no reason to not heal, as everything is kind of up in the air at this point. So now as we get over here into these fellas, we will need these guys to load up on I-Core as much as we can here, to make sure Louis might die there. Oh, okay. Sometimes this guy will kill your partner instantly. That's really, really bad immediately before the fight. So we'll go for a charge down here. Good. And we'll go for a backstab on this guy. And 20 I-Core should be plenty for us to move into the butterfly fight here, as we're not even pairing up with Louis or anything, so we should be okay. Alright, and as we get into the butterfly fight, we should switch these out, so we can, I mean, if we go for venom resistance, 124 is nothing too amazing, but we should go for something like two-handed sword mastery. That's really good. And I don't know. Too. It doesn't really matter what we pick up here. Maybe heroic fang, just for why not. Okay, and as we get into the fight, yeah, let's get some of these things going here, and this will help us at least to get started here at least a little bit. For the fight. Now Louis is kind of a bad choice for the butterfly, but at the same time he's a good choice, because he does slow and fire, and those are her two issues that she takes here, and so it's really, really good if you bring Louis along just for those two things. But it's nothing too incredible, so don't get too excited that Louis is going to be saving you in any kind of special super way here. Okay, there's a, oh, that hit me? How did that hit me? What? I don't see how that hit me, but okay. I need a poison. Okay, good. Okay, well, that was an unfortunate hit there. Ouch. And that was an unfortunate hit as well, so we're off to a really, really bad start here. Okay, let's go for fire. Whoa, what is that, dodge backwards? Oh, she's gonna blow. Let's back up here. Okay, well, off to a really, really bad start, but we'll be alright, I think. We both missed each other. Oh, okay, she's gonna explode again. Okay. Whoops, I missed. Okay. And let's go for a charge. There we go. Ouch. Okay. And I guess let's go for fire and heal. And let's heal again. Okay. Wow, look at her go. Okay. And let's dodge back here. Wow, she's really going crazy here. Ouch. I ran right into that one. So you can see the slow applied there by Louis. Wow, she's just catching me on everything. But it definitely helps that we have normal mobility here. And that is where a huge benefit. Ouch. Oh, good grief. She's just catching me with everything. Okay, let's go ahead and heal again. Get rid of all the venom. Let's heal up here. She's catching me on a lot of this stuff here, as we don't have a good chance to go for our charge attacks. Oh wow, Louis, you're crazy to be able to still heal me. Okay. I feel like after that first go around, we definitely lost a lot there. There we go. Go for a poke. There we go. That's a good attack. Alright. I guess we're down to the wire here. And even though we can't... whoops. Wrong direction. Even though we can't really get in there and do anything big, we'll just have to do it like this. What? How did that hit me? I'm really confused on some of these attacks that she's hitting me while I'm in the iframes of the dodge. But anyways, the Zweihander is a no joke kind of a weapon, and it can hold its own in almost any arena, in any way, doing anything. And it happened to be, really good against her because she's weak to slash, at least, and fire. So that was really good that we could make use of those both. It was a really sloppy fight there, and nothing too incredible, but at least we got through it, and we're not worse for the wear, but we're definitely gonna go lick our wounds now. So anyways, running the Zweihander is a really great way to pummel your enemies into oblivion quickly, easily, and you can pair it with almost any blood code that has a really good strength listing, and because it scales very well with its scaling parameters here. At intensified is a B+, so we're at an A, so it's going to scale pretty hard. So it's really good use on anything that's A or higher. So something like Dark Knight, Queen's Breath, Hades, Demeter, Ishtar, any of these are really great blood codes. And then you get into the wacky ones of Cert and Pollux, where you just kind of take things off the rails and do some nonsensical kinds of things with them. So 1810 here, and here we're at 1686. So you're getting like a 150 increase in your damage just because of the blood code. And then when you start pairing up with everything, this gets a little wonky and out of hand very quickly. But yeah, that's been Fion. We didn't really make too great use of Red Shoes with our charge attacks and such, just because of the fact that we needed more Ichor than we could support. So that's one change I would definitely do is if you're going for the Dawn Claw here, or the Twilight Claw, probably switch this out for something like Hunting Feast, and that'll bring you up to a 0.9 here, and times 2, so you'll be about 1.8, about 2, roughly around 2 Ichor return on a strike. So that would be really nice to have, but that wasn't the case this time. So anyways, thank you all for watching, and hopefully you all enjoyed seeing the Zweihander in action, doing the pokes and the charge attacks along with a Blood Veil, and of course the superior one being the Twilight Claw. So anyways, thank you all, and we'll see you in the next one, and it'll probably be the Executioner in the Pit. So we'll see you then.